changes. Therefore, when you see RDCs implementing the policies of government aggressively and probably oppressing you in one way or the other, do not fight them. Just support them and also change your management styles. RDCs, as government representatives, are required to audit your performance and also to verify your application of public resources.
That we shall not let you down. We shall not let our dear President down. We shall do what we are supposed to do, and especially we shall continue supporting and mobilizing for NRM. And I want to thank the political leadership of Bushenyi under the leadership of Chairman Bushenyi and the NRM fraternity headed by Alhaji Hassan Basajja Balaba.
Ebangwa yonjire office yo kujiteka mwamani Bushenyi tubetine district office imbi enjure ari kutera ba RDCs konka today twatunga kizimbe kirungi munonga so ntwenda kusima government
yo kurwanisa embundu umuri Bushenyi kandi atagitungire ukurabo mu mateka nkoko kugamba kugira ngo umuntu wano itaga embundu ke yawe kwerinda oyine kurabo mu district security committee ikakuchebera then na inspector general wa police akaba no yagerata yayikiriza ngo utunge embundu ejo kandi abatari mu mahe kandi batari mu police ninga ebitongore byo burinzi omuntu wena umuri Bushenyi wano mango ine cyo kurwanisa nkecho ina mezaga ameza 3 months orete cyo kurwanisa echo mu office ya RDC ochanjure